Quest2 and Autodesk VRED for VR. We are using the Oculus Link cable, and to do this you also need to download the Oculus app. And when you have done that, you also need an account, so log in or make an account. We choose the Quest2 and to use the Oculus Link cable. Connect the USB on both sides, on the Quest2 and on the PC. In the headset you need to allow and enable. Back to the PC, you could verify that it's connected. Now it's time to install Steam and SteamVR. Here you also need an account. So when you have Steam up, you could search for SteamVR and also install and launch that one. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky to get it going, so I suggest to try a restart if it doesn't work immediately. And in this case I also needed to restart SteamVR especially one more time. And then open up Autodesk VRED, go for the panel View, Display, and then Open VR. And now it works.